Hey guys, okay, what we got here is a Briggs Stratton Weed Eater 22-inch push mower. For all you guys that are brand new to the push mowing, or maybe a first-time homeowner, but don't know how to maintain your machine, I'm going to show you little tips I've learned once in a while. First thing you do is you check the oil. Says one side will say full, yep, full. Wipe it off, then you put her in one more time, screw it out, and then that'll give you your final result. And yeah, it's full. A little dirty, but it's full. Alright, so after that, you add some gas to it, which I already did. You give her a few pumps. Before you do all this, you first inspect the spark plug. Because if you have a dirty spark plug, what will happen is that it'll either not run right, it'll smoke, or it'll eat up gas like a Mack truck. So, as you can tell right here, that's really clean. That means you're having an efficient burn. That means you're saving money because this thing's running at its peak performance. Which, you know, push mowers and lawn mowers alike, we don't have that much of an efficiency level. Tighten her down. You put the spark plug wire on. When you hear it click, that means there's a little eyelet in the center of this rubber boot, and it's what wraps around the metal piece on the spark plug where the white porcelain part is, and the metal is. There's a probe that goes down, and it goes to that little hook piece, which is your gap, which sends the electric current to it. Then you set your height, whatever it is. Mine's on the highest level because this grass is really long. Then pull down the throttle cable. And this is an old grandpa trick here. You take a nylon piece, or you take a hose clamp and you put it around, and then you fire off. Not like that. Alright, hold on. Alright guys, I had to redo the nylon tie here. Now, it should fire up. It might not because the grass is too long. So, this is something you really don't want to do, but we're on the cement here. Just hold her down like that. There we go. Good thing, guys. Good to go. I should have showed you guys that. Is when you want to let off the throttle here, or if you got a phone call or whatever, you just take this nylon twist tie here, or strap, or whatever you want to call it, zip tie, and then you just push it down, hits that tab. It ain't gonna fall all the way down here. It's just gonna stay right there, and it'll release your throttle, and that'll be it. Alright guys, that's it. That's a little maintenance tip for you first time homeowners or first time lawnmower buyers. Alright, bye.